Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher from class nursery. This is your English book. This is your English book. Open it and look at page number 11. First we review and read letter B. And what is the sound of letter B? B. B, ball. B, ball. B, ball. B, balloon. B, balloon. B, balloon. B, bag. B, bag. B, bag. B, bat. B, bat. B, bat. Today we do the activity of letter B, and the letter B sound is B. Match the beginning sound B with the correct picture. One is done for you. Look at here. Which letter is this? B. And the sound of B is B. B, balloon. You match the beginning sound with picture. Okay. In this page, there are 4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pictures. And the first picture is balloon, and its beginning sound is B. B. Its beginning sound is B. And the second picture is apple. Apple. And what is the beginning sound of apple? A. What is the beginning sound of apple? A. Look at here. It is third picture. And what is this? This is bag. And what is its beginning sound? B. You match B with bag. Look at here. I match the beginning sound with picture. And the fourth picture is ball. Ball. And what is the beginning sound of ball? B. What is the beginning sound of ball? B. You match the sound with the picture. Do page number 14 at home. Allah Hafiz.